Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maggie. Today I want to swatch both Comet cases that I have from Made by Mitchell and a full video. I did a small short on this one, but I decided to do a full video because I prefer those anyways when I'm looking for swatches. But we have the lights, and then we also have the cosmic one, which is the more colorful one. So we're going to start with the lights one first. They're super beautiful, creamy, blendable. This one has, I would say, like 3 blushes and then like some bronzy shades and then some highlighters. They all work on me, so that's nice. And there's something I really like about this formula. It sets down mostly, but it just looks so glowy and youthful on the skin. It really doesn't enhance texture, just makes the skin look super hydrated and glowy, and I really like that. The description is a multi-use 8-pan cream complexion palette. Glow about your day with this Made by Mitchell Comet case. Inside you'll find a selection of 8 pink, gold, peach, magenta, and bronze hued shades in buttery creamy formula. Shifting these powerfully pigmented color shift multi-use smoothly glide onto skin and blend seamlessly to deliver a irresistibly iridescent glow. The shade we're going in with is Wanda, and it's a bright magenta shade with a little bit of a silver sparkle through it. I would say this one's my favorite in the palette. It's nice and pigmented, gives those super glowy cheeks. I went pretty hard with the color, but you can blend it out and it looks a little bit less intense on the cheek. That's what I like about these. You can just build it up to your preferred blush shade. Such a beautiful color, a magenta with a fuchsia shift. The next one we're going to be going in is LYNX, which is a magenta pink with a silver shift. I would say this is a little bit of a warmer tone to it versus WANDA, which is more magenta. This is probably my second favorite. Now that I'm looking at it in the footage, I think I actually like pink LYNX the most. It's so beautiful and glowy. It gives that Sabrina Carpenter glow to the cheeks, and it blends out super seamless. And you can obviously tell the difference. One is more magenta, where the other one's a little bit on the lighter side, a little bit more warm toned. Super cute. I was really loving these, and you can use these on your lips too. Next is Candy Trip, a rose pink with a silver shift. Again, it's like a nice light, warm toned pink with that silver shift. It's definitely on the lighter side, but still, again, very beautiful. And what I love about these is it's so natural looking. It doesn't look like makeup, and that glow just makes your skin look super youthful and hydrated. I'm going to be using these front 3 the most. They're really beautiful and my favorite. We are going to go in with one of the highlighters next, which is Fairy Kitten, which is a neutral silver with a pink shift. And I do it alone on this cheek, and then I put it over top that Candy Trip shade just to add extra glow and see what it looks like over that color. And it's super beautiful. I definitely could see myself using this a lot. It's very sheer, but you can really do see that flip on it, that nice pink glow, which is one of my favorites to highlight my cheeks with. I just think it looks like a nice little blush lighter. One of the copper shades, it's COPPA Cool, a cool copper brown with a gold shift. It's one of the deeper ones. I love this because it adds such a nice warm glow to the skin. It makes my cheeks look a little tanned. It's like a nice cream bronzer with a little bit of a glow to it. I feel like those are really popular in the summer, and it's not too much where it looks like not the right color for me. It works really well just to chisel out the face and bronze it where the sun would naturally hit. I really enjoyed this. I can't wait to use this more for bronzing up my cheeks. Next is another highlighter. It's Ice Ice Baby, a light neutral yellow illuminator. Another sheer natural color, but it's not too yellow like some of those highlighters that look a little too yellow gold. It's a very soft version of it. I feel like this looks just like your skin is a little glowy from the heat outside, and I love that look. Next is Champagne Spray, which is a champagne nude with a silver shift highlighter. You can see it there a little bit, adds just a little bit of a warm pink vibe to the cheek. Another color I love to wear on my skin. I feel like if you're a natural glam girl, you're gonna love this. And then we're gonna go in with another one of those warm toned coppers, which is Penny from Heaven, which is a light brown with a champagne shift. Again, it just adds a lot of warmth to the cheek. This would be one of those shades you could even wear as a little bit of a bronzer. I think it works really well on me. I feel like on deep skin tones, these colors are gonna look great. Now we're gonna be swatching volume 2 of this, and it's like the more highlighter shades, definitely the more colorful option. It has a dual shift sparkle to it. I mean, look at that. That just is a creamy, buttery prettiness in a pan. I feel like this is going to be really good for like makeup artists. You don't have to use a little spatula to get it out, but there's some arm swatches. Super pretty. And there's, I think, only about like 2 shades I would say are similar, but not enough to like say it's like a waste of space. They are all equally different and beautiful. I love this formula. The first one we're going to go in with is Donuts, which is a light champagne with a silver reflect. Another one of those natural glowy colors. Makes you look like a little glazed donut. It's definitely the most natural one in this palette. The next one we're going to go in with is Clear as Day, which is a muted lilac with an iridescent shift. Another super natural glowy one, and it has a little bit more of a pink lilac shift to it. Next is Space XO, which is a deep purple silver and a blue reflect. This reminds me of like the early 2000s like lip glosses people used to wear, or those like holographic folders we used to have in elementary school and middle school. But it doesn't look too intense on the cheek. You could build it up more than this. But again, this kind of looks like it could be a blush lighter on me. Super pretty, and it looks nice. This formula is super creamy. It doesn't say you can use it on your lips, but I will. Next is Chance of Peach, which is a tangerine with a pink shift. I love nothing more than a pink-orange combo, and this adds such a nice warm glow to the cheek without looking like an actual orange. No one wants to look orange, but it's so natural, and that little pink shift is super cute. If Donuts was a person, she would wear this color. After that is the more wild card, which is No More Tears, which immediately reminds me of Ariana Grande, one of her songs, but it's a green with a turquoise shift. It's really giving Tinkerbell. I feel like if she wore a highlighter, it would be this. It looks pretty green when you first put it on, but once you blend it out nicely, it's just a soft green. It's nothing crazy. Next is In Real Life, which is a lilac with a turquoise shift. It's deeper than that previous Space XO shade, where it has more of a blue flip and has a little bit more on the grape color. Again, looks great as a little bit of a blush on me, and on my lips it looks super cute. Like if Lumpy Space Princess was a person in real life, she would wear this highlighter. I don't know why I'm giving characters to each highlighter, but I am. And then the last 2 shades we're going to be doing is Warm Soul, which is the next one, and this one is a tangerine with a pink shift, and it reminds me of one of those like sparkle orange pumpkins you can get at like the Dollar Tree during Halloween. Perfect for all year round, but I feel like during fall it would look really pretty. Just has that nice warm glow to it. I feel like I said, on deep skin tones, I feel like this is gonna look super beautiful. I feel like all of them are gonna look good on everyone. I feel like this is one of those cream palettes, both of them, where it can work on any skin tone. The last one we are doing, which is Gloaming, which is a reddy brown with a gold and pink reflect. It went on a little intense, but you can really see that pink reflect once I blend it out. I really liked that shade, and again, it's giving Dunkin' Donuts. This would also be her shade. You can just see that subtle pink shift in it. It's definitely a little bit more natural than Warm Soul, but still equally as beautiful. I feel like this would also look good on lips. But I hope this helped you out if you were looking to pick these up. I did get them on TikTok Shop, so I got them for a significant discount, so I would look there to buy it. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Bye!